Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about how to assign programming tasks. So if you are a programming lead for some kind of task, for example DMC, CSR, or DSUR, um, there are a few things that are essential before you assign the programming task. Um, First, you might need to check the video. In this video, I have already talked about some important items for your consideration before you assign any task. For example, the timeline, the shell, um, the, uh, the programming environment, and other items. So please check this one first. And then I will talk about this one more. Is know your team. This one is sometimes it may be more critical. Um, so in order to finish your task more efficiently and timely and quality, first you might need to know the personality of your team. So to know your team. So each one, what is their personalities? They prefer do the things at the last minute, or they prefer do it slowly or quick, or um, someone may do the first quick and then slow. So you have to know their personality, easy to communicate or not. And then you might to have to know their availability. So uh, try to know their schedule. If, whether anyone has vacation, um, anyone have multiple tasks, very busy these days, or more flexible. So to know their availability. And then the more important thing might you have to know their capability, which means um, their experience, programming experience, how good their programming skills, whether they can uh, programming for the efficacy data like ADTTE, ADEFF. Um, what about their therapeutic areas? Do they know this area really good or just the junior level? So, so these three kind of um, items you have to know before you make really efficient task assignment. Otherwise, your timeline, your quality, your delivery way might be reduced. So check these three types of items closely.